If you need to bill customers for the services provided as part of a project, you can generate invoices based on the information collected in project accounting. You can run the billing procedure automatically, manually, or on a schedule. You bill a project with progress billing if you need to bill a customer for the services provided as part of a fixed price project. In this lesson, we will configure the progress billing for projects, create a project with progress billing, and bill the project. In MYOB Advanced, you project bill by using one of the following forms. On the Projects form, you can run billing for the selected project by clicking Run Project Billing on the Form toolbar. If the project is pending billing, then the system creates an invoice with a date that is the same as the next billing date of the project. For projects with the on-demand billing period, the date of the invoice is the business date. On the Run Project Billing form, you can run billing for multiple projects that are pending billing, depending on the invoice date selected in the summary area of the form. By default, this box contains the business date. The system creates invoices with a date that is the same as the invoice date. Note, the form does not show the projects with the next billing date, which is specified on the Summary tab of the Projects form if it's later than the invoice date, which is specified in the Selection area of the form. On both forms, the progress billing can be performed for only a project that is pending billing. That is, the project has at least one revenue budget line with a non-zero pending invoice amount on the Revenue Budget tab of the Projects form, including a negative amount. The billing procedure in MYOB Advanced is straightforward and depends on the type of a step of the billing rule, which is specified for a project task on the Tasks tab of the Projects form. For the progress billing steps of the billing rules of project tasks, the system generates an invoice with the billable project revenue, meaning the revenue budget lines with a non-zero pending invoice amount listed on the Revenue Budget tab of the Projects form. For the billing process for a project to run successfully, the project should meet the following criteria. All the mandatory settings should be specified for the project and its tasks. The project status should be active, completed, or suspended. The status of the project task should be active or completed, and the billing rule should be specified for those tasks. The project should have a provision for billing, such as a billable line of the revenue budget associated with the task for a progress billing, or an unbilled project transaction associated with the task within this billing period for a time and material billing. The steps of the billing rule should be applicable to the billing provisions. For example, the billing rule of a task that is supposed to be billed by a revenue budget line should have a progress billing step.